While you sleep, your brain is doing something disgusting. It's literally pressure washing itself. Every single night, a clear fluid surges through your neural pathways to flush out a toxic sludge called amyloid plaque. If that wash stops, your memory goes with it. Modern science calls this the glymphatic system. But here's the terrifying part. Most of us are accidentally unplugging the machine before it finishes the cycle. If you wake up feeling foggy, or worse, if you're consistently waking up at 3 a.m., you're leaving your brain in a bath of its own metabolic waste. To ensure your brain completes its nightly deep clean, you need the 3-2-1 protocol. 3 hours before bed, no more food. Digestion diverts the energy your brain needs for the wash. 2 hours before bed, no more work. You must lower your brain's electrical heat to let the fluid flow. 1 hour before bed, no more blue light. Blue light kills melatonin, and without melatonin, the cleaning crew never shows up. Research from the University of Rochester shows that during deep sleep, your neurons actually shrink by 60%. This creates the space for that fluid to rush in and sweep away the debris of the day. This isn't just about feeling rested, it's about preventing long-term decay. Protecting your future self starts tonight. Try the 3-2-1 rule and see how much sharper you feel by morning. For more simplified longevity science, join us here at the Ageless Brain Lab by subscribing. And as always, consult with your physician before changing your health routine. Stay sharp.